everyone and happy holidays. Today's video is all about having fun, being playful, and celebrating the moment with people you love the most. We're going to do the 5 Animal Play Qigong, so I encourage you not to take it seriously, enjoy yourself, enjoy the movement, be playful, and I hope you'll feel good by the end of the session. Go ahead and get ready, and let's begin. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos, consider joining my membership site for more videos on energy, stress relief, and sleep. And if you want to go deeper into your practice, you can join me live every Sunday on Zoom for a 45-minute Qigong session. You can find more information on how to join in the description below. Let's begin today's practice. Let's begin in a standing position. Keep your feet firm on the ground, unlock your knees, relax your lower back, and keep your spine nice and straight. Slowly bring your hands in front of you. The first movement is the tiger, spiral, and reach up, open into the sky. Spiral back, bringing your hands down, and relax. Go ahead and repeat. Very good. From here, make your hands into a loose fist, reach up again, jump forward, hands into loose fist, step to press down, spiral again, going all the way up, forward bend, soft wave through the spine, and you step forward. One more time on each side. Move to one side, press out. As you can see, I'm keeping it very light. I'm enjoying myself. Just allow the body to move a little bit without putting too much effort. And press out. Very good. Come back. Bring your feet together. The next movement is the deer. Raise your hand to the side. Keep your palms open. Step out gently, stretching through the side of the body. Swing back. We repeat on both sides. We go again. If it's your first time doing it, just follow along to the best of your ability. Keeping things very light, very easy. Very good. Deer, drinking water from the pond. Raise your hands up, extend, reach forward, go to the back, and return back to center. Change legs, step out, come back. We repeat. Remember to breathe calmly. Return and move back to center. Very good. Bring your feet parallel. From here, begin moving from side to side, imitating the walk of a bear. This is very good for digestion, especially over the holidays. A gentle massage to the abdomen. Can never go wrong with that one. A bear walking through the forest. Very good. Come back to center. Make your hands into a loose fist. Step forward and begin to sway your arms, your torso, very, very gently. One more forward. Then bring your leg with you. Step out. Bear rotating its waist. Again, very good for digestion, metabolism. Last one forward. And then step to the back. Relax. From here, move your hands in front of you. Reach up. Wide crane dancing. Lean forward a little bit. Then squat down and open your chest. Look up. Draw your hands back, one on top of another. Show off, extending, looking out proudly. And then open your chest. We repeat once more on each side. Notice how all the movements are very soft. You can really adjust the intensity, the stretch. See how your body feels today. Very good. From here, shifting the weight, crane spreads its wings. Very good. Just nice and easy. And once more on each side. Very, very good. Relax here. Step out, distribute the weight. Monkey. Hands up to the chest. Come up on your toes. And look out. See if you can see any apple trees around. Relax. Go again. Lift. And relax. Then wrap your hand to the waist. Step forward to catch an apple from the tree. Move back. Look out again. And then jump. Catching up. Admire your apple. And relax. Prepare yourself for the next jump. Extend to the back. Look out. Make sure it's still there. And go for it. Come back. And relax. Let's do one more time on each side. Step forward. To the back. Open. Nice catch. Relax. And one more time. Extend. Back. Clear the space, jump, and return. Relaxing down. Inhale slowly, raise your arms up. Exhale to comfort yourself, to regulate your breath, to relax the entire body. Breathe slowly, breathe mindfully. Drawing your breath in and down. And again. Taking those deep, mindful breaths. One more time. And exhale. Close just below the belly button. Take a moment to concentrate on yourself. See how you feel. Breathe into your belly. And just be present. Very good. Relax your hands to the side. And finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me during the holidays. I hope you enjoyed this short routine, lots of movement, quite good stretches. So I hope you feel great and ready to continue your celebration. Thank you. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams. I wish you a great health and see you next time.